we start a Clemens reaction. What will happen in this one? It involves the reduction of aldehyde and ketone. Means what is the reduction? Reduction of the aldehyde and the ketone corresponding with accumulated zinc and concentrated HCl. So here what we are using here zinc and HCl. We are using in a one amount, okay? It forms ZnCl2 with H2 means hydrogen. So the reaction may taking place like this: RC double bond H with 2H2 and form as ZnHz concentrated HCl, form RCH3 and H2O. This is the journal. By this we are making all the reactions. Okay, let's see the reactions, how the reactions formation takes place in a Clemens. Okay, so journal, you know na, journal, by the journal we will do this one. So it start from here: CH3 C double bond O H. Okay, first of all see the first one, the things: C2H5 C double bond H. RCR means we are using here anything: CH3 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 CH2 C2H5, anything we can take. Okay, so R we have taken. In all this C double bond O carboxyl group will present. Okay, CH3 coming here, C2H5 is there with H, C6H5, sorry, C6H5 with C6H5, like this it is coming. Yes, now this reaction is the addition with the hydrogen. How many atoms of hydrogen? 2 atoms of hydrogen will take place. So first of all, what do you know? We have to see this thing, that what the thing you can see here, what the thing is coming out. The thing is coming out here, water. You can see here, the thing is coming out here, water. So first of all, you can see in all these things the water is coming out. What the things is left, we are writing here. So here CH3 bracket CH3 is coming here, C2H5 CH3 is coming here. In this one RCH2R, CH3 CH2 CH3, C6H5 CH3, C6H5 CH2 C6H5. This is Clemens reduction reaction in which ketone aldehyde group is present, okay, with HCl and the zinc. Important reaction. Okay, so till here we will completed the reactions, and wait for some minutes. I will start 2 or more reactions. Okay, wait a minute. Next, the reaction is Wurtz reaction. In Wurtz reaction, what will happen? Alkyl halide react with metallic sodium. Alkyl halide react with metallic sodium in the presence of ether. Okay, so what will happen? CH3Br bromo ethane, C2H5Br bromo ethane with sodium CH3Br C2H5Br. It form ethane with NaBr, it form butane with NaBr. Again, if we are starting with alkyl halide mixture with CH3I or C2H5I, a mixture of ethane, propane, butane will be formed. Okay, so here we can take iodide we have taken, CH3CH2 iodide we have taken, CH3CH2 iodide we have taken. So here what we are using, ICH3, okay, 2Na plus ICH2CH3, 2Na plus ICH3. Beta, what the reactions I am telling to you now, Wurtz reactions, Wurtz fitting reactions, what the reactions of the Wurtz, these all are very important. In this one, it is said to be as CH3CH3 plus 2NaI. Butane here, methane, ethane, propane, butane with 2NaI. Propane, methane, ethane, propane. Okay, propane it is with 2NaI. So this is a Wurtz reaction. In a Wurtz reaction, again I am telling, they are reacting with the sodium and with the bromine, and the formation of sodium bromide takes place, sodium iodide takes place. Okay. Now Wurtz fitting reaction. In a Wurtz fitting reaction, haloarenes and haloalkenes are present in the presence of the sodium. Okay, and ether is there. So what will happen here? Chlorobenzene, this is the chlorobenzene, react with sodium ClCH3, it form toluene, CH3 to NaCl. Bromobenzene, Br2Na plus BrCH2CH3, it form ethyl benzene, CH2CH3 to NaBr. Now Wolff-Kishner reactions. In this one, this reduction is done by heating the carbonyl compound with a mixture of hydrogen and KOH. So here what will happen? The presence of glycol. So here CH3CH double bond O minus H2O will takes place. Hydrazone will form. The presence of COH ethane is KOH ethane formation. Then acetone react with NH2 with NH2 form as hydrazone. In the presence of KOH it forms as propane. So these three reactions is also very important and write down in your copies. Thank you students and have a nice day.